I couldn't be happier with our application of the HA5. I would recommend it for your community under the assumption that you are partnering with Holbrook, and together you're looking at the specifics that you need for your asphalt. Hi, my name is Mark Geiger. I'm with Palm Valley Estates, and I serve as the president of the HOA. This is my second term. Here at Palm Valley Estates, we have over 100 homes. It's a gated community in the heart of Green Valley, which is in Henderson, Nevada. It's a great community. They are older homes. They were built in the late 80s. And unlike most older communities, our community, I'm proud to say, has really maintained their home values. Like most communities and associations, the largest expenditure, or one of the largest, is asphalt. This is my second term serving as president. I've already gone through one application, and that application fell a little bit short. We wanted to take a closer look and really educate ourselves as best as possible, not to make the same mistakes we've made in the past. And after a thorough education and research and meetings with numerous companies, we decided to go with the HA5 through Holbrook. Our previous application was more of an entry-level slurry type coat. One of the major complaints from the layman and the homeowners was the amount of transfer from the asphalt and throughout the streets onto the driveways, even into the residence, into the homes, whether it be on shoes, whether it be on the paws of the pets, the cars. So that was a major concern. When we did our research, we looked at the HA5, and since we've had it done, the transfer is really minimal. We have a very active board, and we're very close with our management company. One of the tools that we used was our reserve study, which is an incredible and really necessary budgeting tool. When we looked at dollar for dollar and the projected cost in the future to try and maintain our asphalt and our streets as best as possible, we chose HA5 because it really filled all those niches and all those needed areas, from our budget to the quality and the long-term viability and financial viability throughout our community to go with a better product. When we're selecting a product and working with a vendor, we're really not looking for, again, just that quick fix. You can find many products that can paint the roads black, look very aesthetically pleasing, but when it comes down to the long-term viability of our asphalt and our streets, we're looking at the cracks, we're looking at the transfer, we're looking at a plethora of things to really, make that choice the best choice we can for our community. Living in Las Vegas and Henderson, Southern Nevada, there's really probably a few environments that are more harsh and less forgiving on a dark surface and 100+ temperatures beating down on it. We really needed something that would really be a home run for us. Communication with Holbrook was great from day one. They not only took the time to really come and educate us, but they got to know the homeowners and the board and helped communicate the community challenges and questions and concerns, but also on a personal note. They really reached out to everyone, so all of our questions were addressed. So it really was a team effort, and it was really founded on great communication and a great product. I encourage homeowners and board members and management companies to educate yourselves with the vendors, look at the best options, try and partner with a vendor that is willing to take the time to educate you and to walk you through it, not just until the ink is dried on the check, but a complete start to finish pre and post project synopsis. When you can find a vendor that is there for you and in your corner, you're just not putting a Band-Aid on the problem. You're really looking long-term, and you're really getting the most bang for your buck. In closing, I can't compliment Holbrook enough. As a homeowner, as a board member, and as a community member, it really hit the mark on what we were looking for. The quality, the cost, it really was a full package.